lot of you came up with brilliant ideas. I'm very, very happy. Let us hear some of the stories. Now, when they are reading, what will we do? Will we dance? Will we sing a song? What will we do? You will listen. You're not listening to me now. Can I get all pencils down? I'm going to count till 5. All pencils will go down. 5, 4, 3, pencils down. 2, pencils down. Suleiman, 1. Thank you. Sana, all give me 100% attention. Give me the best attention that you have ever given. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Now what we will do is I will call two people. I will call two people to come up here and share their stories. You will not only listen, but you will also tell them one good thing in their story and one thing that they can add to the story to make the story better. Okay? One thing they can add to the story to make it better and one good thing they have written in their story. Did you all understand? Now, Afan, what will we do? What will I do? I will call two people here to do what? Share the story. What will you do listening to the story? You do two things. So what will you do? Who can quickly tell me what will we do? Answer, tell me. Okay, let me explain it once more for everybody's clarity. That's why I want 100% attention. Suleiman, that's why listen very carefully. Listen very carefully. I will call two people here to come up here. I will get two people here to come up here. How many people can you all show me in your hand? Two people. They will come here. They will read the story. What will they do? They will read the story. When they are reading the story, what will you people be doing? You will listen. You will listen and you will also listen to the story and tell them, hey, in your story maybe beginning is very nice. Give them, maybe beginning is very nice. Give them feedback. Tell them, for example, if I am reading my story, tell them, oh, very nice. Your problem in your story is very nice. Tell them that. Then also tell them one thing they can add to the story to make the story much better. For example, in my story, solution is I am going to school. And mummy also supported. But I have not mentioned why mummy supported. Maybe that could be one more thing that you can help your friend add in the story to make the story better. Yes? Now who can tell me what we will do? Who can tell me what we will do? Okay, Suleiman, tell me. How many people will I call here? 2. What will they do? They will share the story. What will you tell them? What is the best part in the story? What is the second thing you will tell them? Yeah, what will you add to the story to make it look better? Now, I read two stories. I will call two of them here and they will share the story. Yes, they will share the story. First, I would want Akif to come here and share a story. When Akif is reading, you will listen and you know what to tell. And make sure you quietly raise your hand and do. Akif will read very loudly because he wants all of you to listen. And when he reads the story, pay 100% attention. Remember, if you ask good questions, you will also get a star, Junaid. When you ask good questions, you will also get a star. Akif, you will read very loudly. Start with the title and read the story. He's saying the characters are Mummy, Papa, brother and himself. Hi. Good. Very good. Read. Very good. very good. So he's saying it was in the morning at 7:45. The problem was his papa said, do not go to school because he wants his son to clean the house. He wants his son to clean the house. Read the end. So when Papa told him, he started crying. He started crying, and then his mummy told his Papa that Akif is crying. Then. So his mummy told him that Akif is crying. Mummy told his father, Akif is crying, he wants to go to school and study. That was his solution. Now let us hear one thing that you people thought was good in his story. I want somebody to raise your hand quietly and tell me one thing that was good in his story. Ali, tell me one thing that was good in his story. Beginning, why was it good? Why was it very nice? Had he put everything in order? What had he put in order? Had he defined his characters nicely? Had he defined that very clearly? Who can tell me one thing that he could have added to his story to make the story much better? What do you think he could have added to his story to make it much better? Give it a thought. Give it a thought. Then you want to try? One thing he wants to add, he could have added to his story. Ali, thank you, Sina. One thing he could have added to his story to make it better. He did not talk about feeling. What else? He did not talk about feeling. What else? And why do you think talking about feeling is very important? What happens if they don't talk about feeling?
The story will not like.
The story will not be nice. One more thing, I'll give you one more clue. You're upset. You're upset in class, but you're not telling anybody that you're upset. Will I know that you're upset? Now tell me, why do you think feelings are important in a story? If feelings are not there, what will happen? Will people know how they are feeling? People will not? People will not?
Don't know what is the feeling.
What is the feeling? That's why story will not look nice. Can you all clap for Akif?